Hello everyone, my name is Kim Ho. I study at Beyond Education School. Today I will be reading on the whiteboard. Tuesday, 1st July 2025. Topic my first day of school. Hi friend, I am Kim Hong. I am 11 years old. I am happy today because it is my first day of school. I went to school by school bus. I have many friends there. Keyword ពាក្យកន្លឹះ 1. School សាលារៀន 2. First ទី1ដំបូង 3. Today ថ្ងៃនេះ 4. Friend មិត្តភក្តិ 5. School bus ឡានដឹកសិស្ស 6. Happy សប្បាយ 7. Because ពីព្រោះ 8. Many ច្រើនណាស់ Name ឈ្មោះ Thank you everyone for listening to me. Goodbye.